Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything I purchased online during the Sephora Vib sale that is going on right now. I shopped a little bit early since I am a Rouge member and I just got all my items in a few days ago. If you guys are VIB, you can start shopping today, I believe, which is really exciting. Switching to voiceover for a second here because I got the dates wrong, but you have until the 11th to use your code. I'll have the details in the comments. And today's video is actually sponsored by Top Cashback. I'm really excited to be working with them because, especially with the sale, is the perfect time since you're already shopping online to even get more money for free, which is so cool. So I will show you guys how you can make an account with them. It is completely free to use their site. You'll just go to topcashback.com. I'll show a little tutorial of how I did it as well. And then right away, you'll see where you can sign up with an email and a password and join for free. And once you're all signed up and ready to go, you can search for whatever retailer you guys are looking for. They have so many different options on here. So of course today we are shopping at Sephora. I actually used Top Cashback when I placed my original Sephora order. So right now it is 5% cash back, which is pretty good because normally some of the other competitor websites are a little bit lower. I find that this one has higher rates. So this is great for during the VIB sale, so you can get 5% back of whatever you spend and it goes right into your PayPal if you want. Do not online shop without using this app. It is insane how you just get free money from this. I use these kind of things all the time, especially during the holidays when you're Christmas shopping. This is definitely something you want to do because that is just literally free money that you are getting back for shopping. Right now I have $12.68 pending from my Sephora order, so I will be getting that back soon. They will just deposit into my PayPal. I think they can also send you a check as well, and there's no minimum requirement to cash out. It does take a little bit to get your money back because just in case there's returns or anything that you're not abusing the system, it can take up to 12 weeks to get your money. But it's kind of nice if you have done a lot of shopping and then you've kind of let it collect and then you get a big chunk of money and it just feels like Christmas. So I wanted to tell you guys about that. I will have my link in the description box if you guys want to sign up for Top Cashback. And if you use my link and you spend $25 shopping through their site, you will get $10 back, which is so cool. So that is a free $10 right there just for shopping. So anyways, enough with that. Let's get into this Sephora haul. So I did end up picking up quite a few different items here. I did place another Sephora haul a couple weeks ago, which I will link down below if you guys want some other ideas for what to buy during the sale. But I love to try out new things with the discount just because I am pretty much a product reviewer here on my channel and I try out many different things, so it's nice that I could save the extra money. It's also awesome for you guys if you guys have some tried and true favorite products you want to stock up on or stock up on gifts for Christmas. So first up, I have this little discovery kit from Youth to the People. I've been very intrigued by their skincare lately. I saw them at Ipsy Live and they just seemed like the nicest people, and they have some really great bestsellers. A couple of their items won Allure Best of Beauty awards this year, so I thought this would be the perfect little kit to be able to try out their skincare line. I do own the kombucha toner that it came with already. I need to use that. They did send that over to me like a month or so ago, but I've heard really great things about their Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. This is a full size you get in this kit, and also the Superfood Cleanser is one of the Best of Beauty for Allure as well, and then you also get a mini moisture cream as well. So let me show you guys everything in here. This was $58 for the kit. So here is what the products look like there. They do come with 3 minis, and then that is the full-size product. So pretty cool. I'm very excited to be able to try these things out. You guys will have to let me know if you've tried anything from their line. Next, I got this as well. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is their KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. I've been struggling with ingrown hairs. You can use this pretty much anywhere on the body. So I heard that this is really great for that and preventing ingrown hairs if you're from shaving. This says glycolic and lactic acids at a combined level of 10% help loosen skin's top layer and decongest pores while the microcrystals slough it all away. So this sounds great. I love First Aid Beauty products. I didn't even know they had something like this until now. So we will see how this works. Alright, next up, I've been kind of obsessed with Briogeo products lately since I tried the banana conditioner, which I've been raving about lately. So I wanted to pick up this adorable little hair mask from them. Can you even with this packaging? This is the cutest ever. I'm pretty much going to keep this and use it as decorations because I love it. But this is their Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. They do have a regular Don't Despair Repair mask, so I think this is very similar, but this one is just going to add more moisture in and have a nice honey scent. So yes, too cute to pass up. Briogeo hair products are amazing. I definitely highly recommend the Superfood Banana Conditioner. This smells really amazing too. Delicious. Next is some makeup goodies, and first up we have, I actually spent my points on this. I spent 100 points on this little perfume sample, but I am so obsessed with this perfume. I think I'm gonna try and see if I can get my husband to get it for me for Christmas, but it's the YSL Libre perfume. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. YSL makes some of my favorite perfumes. It's very sweet, but it's also kind of fun for like a night out. It's kind of sexy. I just love it. I can't even describe it, but I definitely recommend if you guys are looking for a new one. So I grabbed that for 100 points. Next up, I picked up this little Fenty Beauty set. I'm obsessed with their glosses, so I saw they had a new gloss in this set and I had to buy it, okay? I can't resist. It's the Balm Baby 2 Mini Lip and Face Set. Here is what the products look like in here. This is the Kilowatt Highlighter, and it's the cutest baby size in the shade Sand Castle. It's very interesting. I'm excited to try it. It almost has like this silvery bronze finish to it. It's a little bit on the deeper side, but I feel like I could definitely make it work, and it's very, very shiny. This is the mini gloss bomb in the shade Sweet Mouth. I just adore the Fenty glosses. I literally collect all of them. This will just give a nice little slight pink tone to the lips. Next up, another lip set here. I picked up this one from Huda Beauty. I had to get one of these lip things. I know she makes a bunch of these kits like this, but I saw that she had the new Power matte lipsticks in one of these kits, so I was like, yes, I'm getting it. I just love that it comes with this super fun case that you could definitely decorate with, and then here is the inside. You get a full size in their matte lipstick in one of their new shades, which is Girls Trip, which I did want to buy this one individually. I love this lipstick formula. I have the shade Anniversary and I wear it all the time, so I feel like this collection was based off of like 90s nudes. So this one is Girls Trip, which was like the lightest nude in the collection, and it just seemed like a pretty perfect color for me. So I love that you got a full size. How cute is the inside too? And then you also get a lip pencil to go with it. It's also full size, and this one's in Partner in Crime. So you have a little lip combination that you can do with the lip liner and the lipstick. So I thought that was pretty cute. Next up, I picked up a powder foundation from Makeup Forever. I've been wanting this for a while, but I just wasn't sure what color to get, so I just guessed, but it's the Matte Velvet Skin powder. I've heard really good things about this. I chose the shade R250, which I think I used to wear that in their normal HD foundation. So this is what the compact looks like, and then you have your powder. It says it blurs imperfections for 12 hours and leaves a second skin finish. Your complexion is left looking velvety and natural, never chalky. So I'm excited to give that a try. I'm definitely planning on using it just for touch-ups throughout the day. I don't know if it would be good as an overall foundation. I might have to try it for that too. Next up, I did it, you guys. I ended up buying the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I had to have it, okay? And you guys definitely helps me decide to get this. I did a purchaser pass video, and I said I was gonna pass on this and buy the little mini nude palettes, but you guys said don't buy the nude palettes because you already have those colors in the new nudes palette. So I was like, you're right, I'm gonna get this one. So I'm actually so happy I bought this because I just think this is gonna be so fun, and looking at it, the colors really are definitely my style. The packaging is just beautiful. I love this packaging. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow packagings I've seen like ever. So beautiful, you guys. And I love the little bubble for the photos. It's just amazing. This comes with 18 eyeshadows, 9 buttery mattes, 6 high shine creamy metallics, 1 glitter powder, 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows, and then you open it up and it is just stunning. It's absolutely stunning. I don't know what I was thinking when I said I wasn't going to buy this because I'm so happy I did. I'm going to swatch a couple shades because you know I cannot resist. I have to try them. We got some fun glitters like this purple. Look at that mint. That swatched so good. This is a very similar formula to her new nudes palette. So there's just a few colors. I'm excited to test it out, and I'll probably do a fun winter glam look for you guys. Next, I did end up getting another highlighter, but I've heard such good things about this. It's from Milk Makeup, and this is their Flex highlighter in the shade Lit. And I just don't have a ton of Milk Makeup products, so I thought it was a good time to try something new from them. So it's very just basic packaging here, the white, and then here is the highlighter. Ooh, that does feel very creamy, and it's so pretty on. Someone described this as like a hydrating formula, so I thought that was really interesting when I read that. Yeah, on here it says, a pearl-packed silky highlighter that hydrates to plump skin so formula goes on smooth without settling. Leaves a next level glow. So it sounds like the perfect highlight, and I've been meaning to get a new one, so I'm excited to put that on the face. The last thing I picked up during the VIB sale is a new foundation because I've been wanting to try something new. This is from Shiseido. It is their Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. I've been so curious about this. Like, the whole self-refreshing thing to me sounds so cool, so innovative. You do have to do ground chipping with this one, so it doesn't come super fast, but I ordered this separate from my other items because I did not want to wait for everything. So I chose the shade 160 Shell. This says that Active Force technology synchronizes with skin and helps to resist heat, oil, humidity, and motion for a fresh, natural finish that lasts all day. You guys have to let me know if you want to see a full-on review with this, or I can like test out a bunch of my Sephora products as well. I might go that route because then we could try a bunch of different things at once. But that is everything I got in my Sephora haul. Don't forget to sign up for Top Cash Back through my link if you want to get that extra $10. And don't forget to save that extra money shopping online for now during the Sephora sale or into the holiday months. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.